Hi, that is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app, and after that in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyword. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and your green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to activate and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.